In this lesson, we're going to learn about the DraftXpert command. First, let's select the draft function and choose the DraftXpert tab. The DraftXpert creates and modifies neutral plane drafts. We start by creating a draft. I'm going to choose a neutral plane. Let's turn Auto Paint off in the draft analysis area. I'll leave the draft angle at 7 degrees. Now let's select the item to draft. Click Apply. For this one, I will enter a value of 15 degrees. Apply again. And select your next face. For this one, I will also use 15 degrees, but I'm going to change the pulling direction. Click Apply again. And OK. All right, SolidWorks has now created 3 different drafts to correspond with our work. Let's click the draft command again. We're going to edit those drafts that we just created. Select the angle you want to change. Let's change it to 12. Accept our changes, and the draft changes as you see. Click OK. This concludes our review of the DraftXpert.